Hey guys, and welcome to Salvaged by Sammy, where today I'm going to be taking you step by step to show you how I created this pegboard coat rack for our master bedroom. Here's the inspiration I had for it, so hopefully I pulled it off and it looks a little bit similar. First, I went to the store and grabbed some lumber. I used pine boards, and I'll add the cuts in the next slide so you can screenshot it. I took a ruler and drew a line down the center of the board. This way, when I drill the holes for the dowels, they'll all be center and even. Next, I made a mark at every 5 inches where I wanted to drill the holes. I then used a 5/8 Forster bit, which is the same size of the dowels. Then I drilled through the board on each of the notches where I had previously marked off 5 inches. It was then time to cut the dowels that I would be using as hooks. I cut each dowel in 4 inches. This allows 1 inch to go into the board with 3 inches sticking out that will be used to hang things on. I then placed them and cut them with my saw into individual dowels. You also could use a miter saw if you have one to make things a little bit easier. Because the saw left some jagged edges, I took 150 grit sandpaper and sanded down all the edges of the bigger boards and the dowels. Then it was time to stain. I'm using Behr Paint's water-based stain in the color Early American. Finally, it was time to put this whole shelf together. I started by placing each of the dowels in the holes. Because they're the same size, they won't just slip right in. So I took a rubber mallet and hammered them into place. I then took some wood glue and put a bead across the top where the top board will be secured to it. Last but not least, I took my brad nailer and put nails into the back of the board, securing the top to the bottom. It was then time to install. My husband took 2 screws and drilled them into the wall and into studs. This way we can hang things on it without being worried that it'll rip off. Well, what do you guys think? Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming projects.